Maskandi music is once again proving its worth in the industry. A young musician from KwaZulu-Natal has been selected to compete with the likes of popular DJ Dira and others for the hotly contested Ukhozi FM Song of the Year title. Well, Ukhozi FM's list of contenders for the Song of the Year includes the likes of Something Soweto, Kabza the Small, Maphorisa, DJ Zinhle, DJ Dira, Semiti and others. Now, Senzo Zondi, who is also known as Ntencane, is gearing up for a fierce contest. His song, Wauthembeni, is topping the charts and a hit with many Maskandi lovers on the airwaves. Well, Senzo Zondi and his manager, Sanele Hlongwa, join us now from our Durban studios in KwaZulu-Natal. Gentlemen, a very good morning to you and a warm welcome to Morning Live.
Morning.
All right, Senzo, I'm going to start with you. Just who is Ntencane and how long have you been in the music industry?
Ntencane is Senzo Zondi from Greytown. I think it's been a year. Yeah.
So it's been a year since you've been in the music industry and already you're making waves. I mean, you're competing with the big names in the industry with the likes of DJ Dira. When did you fall in love with Maskandi music?
I think Kukale 2010 when I met the late Mchikjelwa Ngubane, so of which I was a fan of his music. So ngaqala lapho ke